Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I will be doing a what fits on my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. So if you haven't watched the unboxing, then make sure to watch the unboxing as well. I will leave it in the description box below and also in the card, in the screen somewhere. But anyway, I have the Speedy 25 from Louis Vuitton, and I got the print, monogram print. So anyways, I keep this bag on my dust bag so you know it doesn't collect dust. So I finally got the organizer from Amazon, and if you guys are interested on getting the organizer from Amazon, and I will also leave it in the description box below. I just have to get it really quick because it's in here, it's inside. So we'll just take this out. I will leave the link about this organizer. I only paid $11.99 for this organizer. So anyways, and it has like the sizes there. So if you have like the LV 30, 35, 25 like mine, so make sure just to go to the sizes before purchasing it. So it is very lightweight. So okay, I'm just looking at it anyway. So it has a picture as well on how you style the bag or how you put the stuff in the bag right there. So I'm just gonna try to like follow it. So I'm gonna put this here, because when I used the Speedy 25, I didn't buy organizer because I was thinking about if do I really need the organizer or not, because I can probably say it can fit so much without the organizer. But if you want to organize your stuff, you can put the organizer in it. But anyways, when I used this bag a month and a half ago, I fit my G7X camera and also my tripod, and I fit quite a lot of stuff in my bag. So anyways, this is the organizer. Let's just see if we can fit so much stuff in it without the organizer first. So I have my key pouch, my key here. I'm just gonna put it here. I have my wet ones. I have my scrunchie. I have my honey pot. This is spray for underneath to keep it fresh. I have my, I always have this. I have my rubbing alcohol, my AirPods. I have my lotion. This is from Bath and Body lotion. This smells really good. So my hands has been really dry lately because I've been washing my hands non-stop, so kind of like dried out. So it's nice to have the hand lotion everywhere you go. I also have my pads. You guys already know I have my lip gloss and my lip balm. I have a $2 cash, which is I'm probably just gonna ending up putting in my key pouch. Wait a second. Or if I don't use my key pouch, I actually use my Kate Spade wallet, which is this one, which can actually fit in here. Let's just put my Kate Spade wallet here. My mace spray. This is the pepper spray. I gotta have this everywhere I go because the world is not safe. This is the key, and that's back here for the key. I already just put my lock here, right there, and it's kind of heavy now. What else do I have to put in here? This is emergency CPR face shield. I gotta have this everywhere I go. I have my alcohol prep pad and also my blotting paper from Elf. So if you really look at it, it is kind of it still fits quite a lot. Like I still have space in it, but it's not organized. Okay, somebody's going on my phone. Oh, okay, hold up, let me just turn this off. So, and my white flower, gotta have this. Anyways, so if you don't like to buy an organizer bag, you can. But if for me, I feel like having an organizer is much better, so you know where you put your stuff, because right now it's kind of a bit messy and it's all over the place, even though you still have enough space to put more stuff in it. My stuff is still all over the place, so I'm gonna try to put all the stuff that I put here in my bag already in the organizer, and we'll see. Okay guys, so this is the organizer look like in the front. This is in the side, and I have extra space here as well. So anyways, let's start with my long wallet here. This is from Kate Spade. I have my blotting paper, I have extra pads just in case, I have my key pouch here, I have my charger, my rubbing alcohol, power bank, my earpods is right there. In this other side, I have my lotion and my spray. I also have my TikTok here, not TikTok my TikTok, not TikTok, oh my god. And I have my wipes here, the wet ones. I have my scrunchie, and if you flip it on the other side, there's 3 slits here. So I have my CPR face shield. I always carry that with me everywhere I go. In this one, I have my lip gloss and my lip balm. So you can basically put more stuff in this organizer, like oh, I have my white flower here as well, so I just kind of like put it right there. So I believe I prefer an organizer because you can still fit quite a lot. Actually, I thought that it's not gonna quit, you know, a lot of stuff, but you can actually fit quite a lot. So that looks like. So what I'm gonna try to do is put it in my my bag now. So I think I just have to slowly put this. Okay, so this is the inside look like, you guys. That is so organized, and you know where to grab the stuff. So oh my god, I really do prefer this with the organizer, and it still has a lot of space, and you still have the zipper here, like a little compartment. And I also put my lip gloss inside instead of putting it outside, so I don't have that like bump. So I just put my lip gloss there and also my lip balm inside. I can still put more stuff actually in this bag, like for example, like the lipstick. If I'm going out, I can put like the lipstick that I'm wearing or some powder, you know, for a touch-up. But oh my god, I'm quite shocked that this one fits quite a lot, and like I said, I still have some space. Anyway, I still have to put like extra cash or whatever you can fit in here in this little pocket right there. And I like how it comes with a zipper now, so I can just like close that. For example, I'm gonna put this lip liner that I always wear. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. So there you go. This is the bag looks like right there. I'm gonna zip it real quick, you guys. Okay, so that's the bag. It doesn't have any bumps at all. See, it doesn't have any bumps. So my first thought about the organizer, I thought it's gonna eat up the space on the bag, but to be honest with you, it actually helps a lot now. Plus it still have a lot of space, like if you want to put more, like you can still put more. And oh my god, I'm really shocked because like I said, I really thought that the organizer is gonna eat up the space. But if you look closely here, there's a little gap as well here in the side, like there's space, there's still space. I can also still put my phone here. Maybe I'm gonna try to put it in the side. See, oh my god, that helps a lot. So my phone is in this side. Wow. So anyway guys, if you are interested on buying the organizer, it's really cheap. It is only $11.99, which is like $12. If you have Amazon Prime, then that's really good. I think I canceled my Amazon Prime. And if you want to be more organized, you can, you know, you can choose. They definitely carry a lot of colors, and just make sure to go to the reviews before purchasing. Like I said, the name of the brand is Holy something. No, not Holy, Daily Plus Organizer. So it says purse organizer insert felt bag. So this one says insert for totes, It's LV Speedy Never Full. So like I said, it has a lot of colors like black, pink, red, dark brown, and it's only $11.99. So they do have a lot of organizer when you go look in Amazon, but I highly recommend that one that I got. So anyway, you guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.